supply and demand to support home price post-Brexit. A roundtable discussion of AIC managers was held to identify the impact of Brexit, risk factors, and the outlook in the property sector. Commercial mortgages include the buildings, factories, apartments, shops, etc. Such buildings require loan for redeveloping and refinance commercial properties where loans can be taken as business loans up to $25,000 without any security. In case one requires more than $25,000, then security will be needed where the administrative and legal costs are also involved. One can get up to 70 to 75% of the value of property as loan. The amount is also determined by the rental income the property can generate. Property loan for goodwill or involving stocks may get fewer amounts as loan. Commercial property yields. The close-end companies prefer investment in liquid assets, where the research by Canaccord Genuity claims the yield for an average commercial property is around 5.3%, while an open-end funds can generate yield not more than 3%. Uncertainty related to Brexit has been responsible for distraction in many property transactions, and most investors believe the returns on property are expected to be robust in the coming years. Brexit or no Brexit, impact of properties. Experts believe the domestic market will remain consistent during Brexit and post-Brexit phase, as there exists a strong pressure on the rents. Also, the growth and development cost, demand and supply factors are supporting home prices. There is growing pressure on rents, and overseas investors are still looking for fast growth in various regional markets in UK, because even in the condition of volatility or dip in price, investors will get diversification through it. 2008 to 2018, property was growing steady after the phase of recession, but with the announcement of Brexit, the market underwent a pause in the last 2 years, and the investment declined, leading to subdued market activities. Such uncertainties also involve people who are interested in selling the properties to collect cash. In commercial property market, the selection of right property is the main factor, where in some regions in UK the industrial sector, shopping centres are highly expensive. Also, the regional offices and retail warehouse market yield are giving attractive yields. Growth in any area will be influenced by inflation, long-term demand, supply and long-term leases, that it will reduce the impact of downturn on property prices to prevent turmoil during post-Brexit phase. RICS introduces new policies to support property sale fast. Currently, the market is also dealing with the problem of one of the longest time taken to conclude a sale. RICS recently announced a hassle-free survey of properties to the home buyers, where the current system of 3 reports that was highly fragmented and confusing will be replaced with simple survey method with levels, where each level will explain about the service. It will involve simple language that the user can understand easily.